Hello everyone. Today I am going to describe what is Naisaa and how does Naisaa work. So, Naisaa.com is a freelancing company and marketplace. From this website, you can hire a freelancer for any kind of project. Also, you can make money from Naisaa.com as a freelancer, as well as you can sell any kind of service like web development, graphic designing, voiceover, article writing, data entry, and many more. If you want to make money from Naisaa.com, must ensure that you have to create a new service. Only you and Naisaa's team member can see and order your service. Your service cannot show to the public buyers. To create a new service, first go to your profile, click on my service and then click on add new gig. Here enter your service title, then select your service related category and set a delivery time. After that, upload a thumbnail and set 3 prices for your service mentioning low, medium and high. Next, write a description of your service. After complete everything, click and save the gig. So that's all, and your gig is now active and it's ready to get ordered. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get more videos in future.